In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the Safari browser on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that Safari browser is by Apple and they haven't updated it much. From the last update was like in 2010, I guess 2014. So there is no official link available. So I'll mention a link in the description that you can copy and paste, which will help you to install it. So just copy that link, paste it here in the URL. And as you can see, it's opening the Safari 5.1.7. You might have already noticed that it looks a kind of old website, and the interface of the Safari browser as well will not look very updated kind of thing. But for some people, they want to download Safari browser because it has a couple of functionalities. So whatever reason you are downloading it for, you just get the download link from here, click on that, and it will start downloading it for you. It's only of 36.7 MB. So let's wait for it to download. Now once it is downloaded, we click on it. It will start the installer, click next. I accept the license terms, click next. And I will not make this a default browser for all users instead. So uncheck this, automatically update, rest all is fine, click next, click install, click yes. And as you can see, the process is pretty basic. Click on yes. And now it's finished. You can keep this checked, open Safari after the installer exits, click finish. And there you go. It reminds you of the old school browser like we used to do in past. It will open up a browser like this and you can use it for browsing. So that's about it. This is how you can download and install the Safari browser on your standalone laptop or on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.